At Spa World, we make it easy for you to buy, install and own a spa. One service we offer that others may not is a special delivery and installation service called the Platinum Handover. But what is it? And why is it so worth it? Keep watching to find out. If you've just bought a spa for the Spa World, you may have selected our special delivery and installation service called the Platinum Handover. Or perhaps you already own a spa and you're thinking about upgrading to the Platinum Handover package. If so, this short video is just for you. Please note this video is for our Australian-based customers. If you live in New Zealand, please see the New Zealand version of this video. The link is in the description below. In this video, we'll answer common questions about the Platinum Handover package, including what is the Platinum Handover package? When is it booked? What is included in the Platinum Handover? What is not included? What spa brand is it available on? Where are Platinum Handovers available? What to do before my Platinum Handover? And how do I book the Platinum Handover package? We deliver thousands of spas each year, and while some people are comfortable using their spa without on-site training, we understand that others may prefer expert help in operating and maintaining their spa, and that's where the Platinum Handover comes in. So what exactly is the Platinum Handover package? The Platinum Handover is an upgrade that includes a general checkup of your spa and your spa setup. Now we know you're going to be super excited to start using your new spa, so there's no need to wait for the Platinum Handover to begin enjoying it. Simply follow the startup instructions in the manual and jump in. While waiting for your Platinum Handover date, you can go ahead and fill your spa with water, do the first dose of chemicals, and enjoy your first soak. Once your booking has been confirmed, your spa specialist will conduct the following: a demonstration of how to use the touchpad and any settings, directions on how best to use your chemicals and maintain your spa, and a plumbing check to ensure everything is working well and the barrel unions are nice and tight. So what is not included in the Platinum Handover? Inspection of your spa's electrical connection is not part of this package. Spa World does not offer electrical service, including equipotential bonding of accessories, and it's the owner's responsibility to organise an electrician and associated costs. Filling the spa with water, adding the first dose of chemicals, levelling the spa on an uneven foundation, installing a CPR sign and the removal of spa packaging are also not included in this package. And any installation of accessories unless included in your original order. The Platinum Handover package is available on all spa pools sold through Spa World, delivered within 50 kilometres of your local Spa World showroom. If you're not sure whether this upgrade is right for you, please ask one of our friendly sales consultants. Now that you know what this upgrade includes, your next question might be, how do I book the Platinum Handover package? Well, the process is pretty straightforward. Once your spa is full and your power is on, contact our service bookings team to discuss available dates for your Platinum Handover. You can contact our team by visiting the service page or the Contact Us page on our website and choosing Platinum Handover from the drop-down. This will normally be organised with our technicians for the next available date. Depending on the time of year, there might be a small wait, but don't worry, you can make the most of this time by soaking in your new spa. Hopefully this short video has answered your questions about the Platinum Handover package. But in case we missed something, feel free to contact us or your Spa World concierge. Thanks for watching.